Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Vault channel. Let's come up with a password. Now accordingly, let's enter the code. Now let's set up two-factor authentication. And just like that, you've created an account. Next, you'll need to download the Epic Games launcher, sign in with this account, and download Fortnite. That's all from me. Goodbye.